Hello everyone, Mar here. Today I'm going to show you how to create short videos using CapCut templates very easily. If this guide helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Alright guys, so first things first, we're going to go ahead and open CapCut and we're going to head to templates. Now, once you select templates, you're going to have access to so many different amazing templates that are going to make your life so much easier. So for example, I'm scrolling down. I really like this template right here. It's like a little weekend story mini blog that I can use for my stories. So I'm going to simply select use template. Now right here, the only thing I have to do is select the videos that I want to work with. Okay, so I selected all my videos from this past weekend. I'm just going to go ahead and tap on next and wait until they download from iCloud. This is the annoying part, but it honestly takes a few minutes. And that is it, you guys. As you can see, in just 1 minute, I have this cool weekend blog that I can now share on TikTok, Reels, or even my Instagram stories. I hope this video helped you, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Bye!